Hey guys, today I'm going to make some taco chicken pieces. So let's get crocking. I have a couple of boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I'm going to use for this. These were on sale, these trays, buy one get one free, so they end up being like $3 a pound. So I'm just going to use 2 of these, but you could use as much as you want really. So all I'm going to do is cut those up into bite-sized pieces, and then have some Kinder's taco blend seasoning there that I'm going to put on them. This chicken kind of sticks together, so I'm going to add just a little bit of oil. This is avocado oil, just to kind of keep it from sticking together so much, but you don't have to do that. And you can use any kind of oil you want. Now I'm going to season it up with the taco seasoning mix and just kind of mix it all together here. I spread that out pretty evenly across the bottom of the pot there. I'm going to add just a little bit of kosher salt as well, and we'll get the lid on there. Chicken breast tends to kind of dry out, so I'm going to cook this on low, but you can do it on high if you want. It's been 2 hours, so let's see how this looks. I think that's done. Look how much liquid that made. The last time I made this, I added salsa when I cooked it, but the thing is, the salsa got all kind of diluted down from all the meat juice that cooks out. So this time I think I'm just going to add the salsa to my tacos. I think it'll be better that way. So anyway, that looks good. I'm going to make a couple of tacos real quick. I have some white corn tortillas here and some canned refried beans. So I toasted that in my toaster oven just to heat up the beans and cook the tortillas a little bit. Now I'll just add some of the chicken here. And I've also got some salsa and some cheese and some lettuce. So let me get these put together and then we'll try one out. I'm hungry. Let's try one out. Turned out good. Chicken's nice and tender and it's not too dry, has good flavor. I like it. Let's see what Annie thinks here. Want to try a piece, Annie? There you go. Inhale. I've cooked for 2 hours on low, but if you did a bigger batch, it might take a little bit longer. You know, it's good for tacos, burritos with rice, you know, however you want to eat it. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.